Look at you.
Oh, wow.
Ken Griffey, motherfucker.
And oh, my God.
Yeah.
See?
Right up the right side. Here.
Good shot. Good day.
What happened? He's out there all looking miserable. Speed,
Came right down.
You see it?
Yep, came right down.
That might. Gotta sit. If it sits, you're gonna kick right.
You're out by the tree up there.
Nice big old.
You're over there with the pit. You're over there.
Help! Help! Go there. Oh my God.
Come on. Too high.
Hit it right edge firm and it's gonna snap right at the end, alright? Oh, I was gonna walk that big thing. Take a ball, take a few shots and out and sit.
I was together all day. Where were you?
Alright. I think you hurt the.
Way left?
No.
Yeah.
You'll have a look. You're splitting the bottom. Right side, strong side, up past the tree.
Whoa.
Probably, boom.
Woo! Yeah.
That's there. And get there. Oh, why? Yeah.
Keep going.
Should be good.
Got a lot of ground.
Sure.
Still pretty good though.
Did they come back out? We weren't the only ones, huh?
Oh, ball. Run.
A lot of ground, but.
Run.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Copy. I didn't think I made it. But yeah, dude, from back there, that's a great shot.
Wow, it stopped. Balls don't stop. Might be too much. Set. No, I mean.
Maybe a little short. Team that won it was 14 under.
It's birdie. You're on a roll now. Camera. Oh my God.
It's like your best shot of all time.
It's good.
That is actually going to be pretty good.
Yeah, where was that all day? Right?
That's going to be up by the tree.
That's Roger's jam.
It's good.
So the
Real good.
grip all the way down.
4 good drives. That's fine. Yeah, it's going to land soft. Boom. Look at that. Look at that.
I don't even like it.
Just right.
Ooh, a little short. It did too.
Hard.
Well,
Oh, that's beauty. 35-footer here for Ant. He's got good pace.
Gotta give it a chance.
But it's
Wow.
oh!
the wind pounding.
It's fine.
That's pretty badass. I think.
Not too much.
Oh yeah.
Fuck!
See ya.
No, you're okay.
Uh,
It's gonna be too right.
uh,
Too much wind. The push
set. I don't know. That's gonna work.
It's gonna kick back towards the middle of the green too.
Get up. No, you're, I mean,
Gotta sit.
hunting for birdie. I didn't hit it.
Anthony was in a limited edition Lombardi putter number 6 here today at 3 o'clock on the fifth hole. Shot. Oh no, pinche cabrón.
No.
Anthony, phone.
Here's the deal. Okay, here's the hospitality. You have to sign a fucking insurance waiver.
wind.
I don't give a fuck.